Alright, I'm going to show you all something. If you've never hung chains up on a chain rack before, you don't leave your binder hanging out all alone. Because otherwise, when you go down the road, this is going to twist and just fall out and drop on the road or something else. So, what you do with this, you hang your chain up next to it with a hook to it, right? You find the bite of your chain, which is the middle of both ends. Feed it in this way. And you take that bite, and hook it in your chain binder. That way, when you get down the road, this can't spin and you can't lose your chain binder. Do it. Not worth it chasing all your chain binder ends all the time. Easiest way to fix that problem. So again, this chain binder hangs there like that. I always hook that way on the inside. So what happened on the other side is that this cotter pin fell out. Then that pin fell out and the chain fell down. Been hanging on the chain rack over there for I don't know how long. So I don't know if it vibrated out while I was going down the road or what, but that's why that chain fell out over there. And I always put a lock on it. Then DOT can't say it wasn't secured. That's the only reason why I put a lock on it. Alright, let's go home.